Alright, let's do a video because I'm getting kind of bored watching this. So, we bounced. I talked about in the video yesterday, we're looking for 393.75, a period of maybe 395-ish. And we're getting a bounce here. On higher time frames, you can look at this as a fourth wave. But the thing is, on lower time frames, you have a small fourth wave here. So, kind of depends on how you want to look at it. I think that it's more than likely we started a second wave. And then also the thing is too, for a fifth wave to happen, it's got to go all the way through this demand zone right here. Has to go all the way through this demand zone and then go into another demand zone. It'd probably hit like 380 if that was the case. So for that reason, I think that if we topped out here, this is probably just we're going to pull back. We might hit demand again, and then we get a C wave up here. Because we have not hit the 50% retracement, I am not touching puts. The only way I would touch puts is if, and this takes us to about 395.74, the 1.61 fib. The only way I would touch puts on here is if we did get a move down, but it would have to be like a smaller time frame 5-wave move, and then I'd probably buy the retrace. But right now I'm just waiting, just watching. Nothing really to do today. I'm not buying puts in no man's land. I'm waiting for the 50% retracement. So yeah, it's just basically a boring day so far. Not really that many trades. I did a few like small ones, and yeah, that's pretty much it on SPY. So wait for 393.75 unless we get a 5-wave move down, then you can buy the retrace. And I'll leave it at that for now. We'll see what happens over the next 3 hours. I'm expecting it to come down a little bit just because of the options chain. I think it was like around 389, 390. So don't be surprised if we finish around like 390 and they kill all the puts from the last month or so that for monthly OPEX. But we'll see. I think we're going to get a B wave and then get a C wave higher. And this B wave might take, again, it might take till Tuesday of next week. Might get a whole day of a B wave, and then we'll get a C wave higher. So I'm guessing probably somewhere between like Tuesday and Thursday of next week, we might top out in this area, maybe in the supply zone. Getting to Tesla, Tesla did hit my target zone for a second wave. And I know this is kind of a funky 5-wave move, but based on it hitting outside these parallel lines, I had to play this as a first wave. And we got a second wave retrace to the 50% retracement at 130.59. I bought some around there and then also around like 131.50. And I'm going to see if I can roll this down or ride this down all the way to a minimum of 116.50. But probably 5-wave move down to 110, I'd probably think about selling. And then if that's only wave 1, then I can just buy the retrace on the second wave. Third target all the way down here at 80 bucks. So we'll see if that plays out. I'll stop out above the high if I'm wrong, but pretty much the same thing on Tesla. I bought puts. I'm just sitting here. They're just killing options. It's a Friday. At least we have time to do Apple. So Apple bouncing a little bit here. Looks really corrective to me. I think that I think that it's just following what I put out yesterday. Probably going to get a move down here before it goes higher. This looks like make sure this is not a 5-wave move. Looks pretty ABC-ish to me. I would guess down here and then go higher. So we're looking at probably maybe like 131, 132, and then go higher. We'll see. QQQ. QQQ up 1.64%. Let's zoom out and just look at where we're at in the chart. Still bounced off the supply zone. I think that was a second wave right there. I think this is the beginning of a third wave. We'll see, but it looks like it may be a small first wave pulling back for a second wave. So we'll see on QQQ, and that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna do a quick video right now and maybe do one later. I'm just looking for this to either melt up to 393.75 or go back down to 390, and there isn't really that much more to say. Till it gets to my target, I'm not gonna buy any puts. So just sit here and wait, and hopefully it happens today, but if not, I'll just buy some next week. That's it for now. Let me know if you have any questions on the chart or anything like that, or if you think I'm wrong on anything, let me know what you think. Like, subscribe. I'll put another update out after the market closes. All right, good luck trading.